This video uses common regular verbs to teach the question form of the simple past tense. This is part 1 of the 120 pairs of questions and answers. You will hear and see the question with a short answer in parentheses. Form the answer in a complete sentence in your mind or say it out loud. You will see the complete answer next. Accept. Why did you accept the job offer? I accepted the job offer because it offered great benefits. Add. What did she add to the soup last night? She added some salt and pepper to the soup last night. Advise. What did your doctor advise you to do? My doctor advised me to drink more water and exercise. Agree. Whose idea did they agree with? They agreed with the engineer's idea. Agree. Whose idea did they agree with? They agreed with the engineer's idea. Answer. How many questions did she answer correctly on the test? She answered 12 questions correctly on the test. Arrive. What time did you arrive at the airport? I arrived at the airport at 6 a.m. Ask. What did you ask your teacher yesterday? I asked my teacher a question about my homework yesterday. Bake. How did she bake the cake so perfectly? She baked the cake so perfectly by following the recipe exactly. Belong. Who did the black jacket belong to? The black jacket belonged to our guest speaker. Borrow. Who did you borrow that book from? I borrowed that book from my classmate. Brush. How many times did you brush your teeth yesterday? I brushed my teeth twice yesterday. Call. Who did you call after the meeting? I called my clients after the meeting. Care. Why did she care so much about the project? She cared so much about the project because she designed it. Change. How often did you change the water in the fish tank? I changed the water in the fish tank every other week. Clean. How long did it take you to clean your room? It took me 2 hours to clean my room. Climb. Which mountain did they climb last weekend? They climbed Mount Rainier last weekend. Close. When did you close the shop yesterday? I closed the shop at 6 p.m. yesterday. Collect. What kind of stamps did she collect when she was young? She collected animal stamps from different countries when she was young. Complain. Why did the customers at the hotel complain last night? The customers at the hotel complained last night because the service was slow. Complete. Which assignment did you complete on Friday? I completed the listening exercise on Friday. Continue. Why did she continue working after dinner? She continued working after dinner because the project was due the next day. Cook. What did your mom cook for lunch yesterday? My mom cooked chicken and rice for lunch yesterday. Copy. Why did you copy the questions from the board? I copied the questions from the board because I didn't have my textbook with me today. Correct. What mistakes did the teacher correct in your writing assignment yesterday? The teacher corrected some spelling and grammar mistakes in my writing assignment yesterday. Count. What did the students count in math class? The students counted the number of cubes on each table in math class. Cover. Why did you cover the food with plastic wrap? I covered the food with plastic wrap to keep it clean and fresh. Cross. When did you cross the street? I crossed the street when the light turned green. Dance. Who did you dance with at the party? I danced with my friend at the party. Deliver. What time did the delivery person deliver the package? The delivery person delivered the package at 3:15 p.m. Depend. Who did you depend on during the trip? We depended on our tour guide during the trip. Dress. How did she dress the baby for the outdoor trip? She dressed the baby in a warm snowsuit for the outdoor trip. Drop. What did you drop onto the kitchen floor yesterday? I dropped a glass of wine onto the kitchen floor yesterday. Dry. How did you dry your clothes yesterday? I dried my clothes in the sun yesterday. Earn. How much money did he earn from his part-time job last week? He earned $200 from his part-time job last week. End. When did the concert end? The concert ended around 10 p.m. Enjoy. What movie did you enjoy watching last weekend? I enjoyed watching a romantic comedy last weekend. Explain. What did the teacher explain in class yesterday? The teacher explained the differences between much and many in class yesterday. Fail. Why did he fail the driving test? He failed the driving test because he didn't slow down in a school zone. Fill. What form did you fill out at the office? I filled out a job application form at the office. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this video, leave a comment down below.